Hey guys, this is a bit strange. I'm starting to talk 1 minute in, but I just wanted to show you this camera probe lens I have lying around. So I've had this for a while and I didn't think about this until a few days ago. But this is a probe lens if you use it the right way. It works quite well in low light areas. So the book works really well. Inside the sock, inside trouser leg works really well. However, you can see going in from a wide shot where it's lit, doesn't work that well at all. But why am I showing you this? If you're creative, you can use this very well. But I'm doing a giveaway. I'm giving 5 of these away. I'm giving 5 of these away once I hit 20,000 subscribers. I'm only 1,000 away, so it's not that far. To enter, all you need to do is like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below. And then go over to Instagram and search for Cardiff. Like the giveaway picture, follow the page, and leave a comment. And that's it. And you entered in automatically. Good luck, guys. I look forward to your entries. And as always, stay inspired.
Bye.